think you're supposed to come in on this.
No, I'm good. You can beat me for once.
Oh, shit. Oh, oh, what did I do? I know that bit.
I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm just saying.
What are you going to call it?
Ashley Just Dancing. Don't worry, I'll spell your name. I don't know, how do you want me to spell it?
Like my brother's name.
Okay.
Put that whole thing in there.
Ashley 6 Green Ferguson.
I'm waving to them all at home. I can jingle like Max, that's pretty special.
Yeah, you jingle like Max.
I'm not going to explain to people if you're going to watch this, what's going on. I'm going the wrong way again. Where am I? Ow!
You're at my house, that's where you are.
I'm supposed to do a mistake.
You're not even doing it right.
Wait.
Look at me out of the way.
I'm getting perfect from this. This is official.
Oh yeah.
I'm good at this.
Keep your ear out of the road.
I feel like I'm special right now. Woo! I got a yeah. That's a good thing. By the way, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now.
Oh no. Oh, you're telling them.
Yeah, man.
Correction. It's 3:47
On what day?
on Sunday.
Then.
Where's my calendar? Oh, that's right, it's on my closet door, but I don't have one.
What's that hat?
My arm.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
Sunday, the 22nd of April.
2012.
2012. Because Max Green was on top of the world. Until he didn't get the cigarettes he wanted. Oh no!
I got... What does that mean?
That's an achievement, Bish. I want to dance now, video me.